Yabona kule Sunday ezayo ngiyaya esontweni shem. And it's not like ngiyela ukudla and stuff. Sharp.
Welcome everyone, this is Mzansi's Funniest Videos and your host is Davis Mohomo. If you are new, welcome and please do hit that subscribe button, like, comment and share. Azish. Enjoy. But it's busy tea.
For Mali. Am I the only one who knows proper taxi etiquette? Like you in a taxi, your phone rings. Hello. Yeah, I'm still in a taxi. I'll call you when I get off. Easy, done. No, your WhatsApp opens. You see view once only. Hey, but now I just saw something. Just saw something amazing in a taxi. Motokra view once. Waibula. It's a guy Shololong. Needle in a haystack though, but it's a guy Shololong. It's 45 today. Camera takes. View once. Do not open them in a taxi.
Corona Mumzanzi. Yo, perfect. Correlate before our get the campus fatho, how will a matter? Ukro wana li fifi or mom blind koro ulle ke foufetse batho ba modimo a ke sa bona ke bona le fifi gane ke lo shedding yo na re sa tlowa ga dipelo shame re sa tlowa
o my sister re le sa tlola le rata rena banna khopela le re butseng straight or my brother nna ya korate or my brother nna ke sa rata le tlogeleng style se sa lena sa re khopela di chelete tsa o tshosha bo di 100 rand di 20 rand le di 50 rand awu my sister
100
that's why le fufurega di hairline hai ya bora.
These are my top 3 displays of Ubuntu. Number 1, Vimba. Wow, what a concept. Like you just shout Vimba and all of a sudden you have bouncers around you. You have a security detail. You just shout Vimba and you see justice being carried out. You don't have to go and open a police docket, attend court cases and wait for a judge's ruling. You just shout Vimba and you see justice being delivered right then and there. Wow, what a concept. Number 2, Urile after robot. You know when you're in the taxi and you tell the driver after robot and the driver doesn't hear you and they pass the robot and then the whole taxi goes, Urile after robot. You see right there. Yeah, that is true Ubuntu. It restores my hope in Ubuntu. Number 3, petrol attendants. Like if 50% of our population had the character, the respect, the humility, the kindness of the average petrol attendant in South Africa, this country would be a much better place.
Uyambona umfana abantu ehlehlisa amakhabethe Nkosi yami esukumisa sofa azaguqa ngamadolo phansi induni ibheke phezulu ngathi iSulman Malithandaza ecingana no2 rand ebhekana no2 rand azathatha umshanelo aguqa ngamadolo Nkosi yami ahwaye abhekana nalo 2 rand kodwa still wena uyamitha still wena uyapreka ayi mina judge mana isuka uyambona ukuthi uyayisokolela abantu kuyazilambela lokhu kwesiAram senkosi kuze kubheke uThurani kujuluke kuze kukwade ubona ukuthi kufuna ukukhala kodwa wena uyamphrekela upregana mina ngijaja so manje yayi futhi nini hayi mina amantombazana
cabanga ucebisa ilotion kamamakho ubona baba wakho sekacala ukuzwa ngawe manje kancane kancane futhi yazini asikho lapho guys emncwabeni wami ngicela abantu bakwamajola nibayenzele ni movite le strawberry eniyenze kube igaca
yana ngirago wa bicycle a reng ha bona banna ba bang ba ya Cape Town
ene ho bolela nnete DJ nyana tsa o patediwa 60 rand or 100 rand a di tla o bidisa ebe o fufulele ba letsa batho bo DJ lengwele DJ Javan o tla bino binne unlike ba o patediwa 1.5 mam ba tlo letsa
isengile ne ene nka tshane relationship ivele ka enyaka mara wa bona monna wa hore ha ja December a lebelle maru efetsa anwe December
yabo le ndoda yakho isabayo abombali bayithuma amagwini emsebenzini
namazimba
sha
mina umngani wami ngeke bakushaya enkolo never over my dead body ngizohamba bakushaya in peace.
When I was playing petrol attendant today, a Zulu taxi driver asked me why don't we give them proper service when they come into the forecourt, man. It's really simple, bro. You treat everyone else like shh, bro. I mean, you treat drivers on the road like shit. You come in on the forecourt and you come in all entitled and rushed. Bro, I remember there was a case when some Zulu came in and he's like, I don't know, he asked me to pour 70 rand, but he was kind of saying it under his breath. And I kind of repeated the order back to him to make sure that, like, I got what he said. This guy scolded me in Zulu, bro. He scolded me and he patronized me. And one thing about petrol attendants, we don't forget. I remember he then came back. He only poured 70 rand. He only came back, like, an hour later, and the forecourt was busy. I made eye contact with him, and I said, I'm not pouring. I looked at him and I said, I'm not going to pour you. And unfortunately, being I'm the owner's kid, there's nothing you can do about it. I'm that petty. I'm sorry. I'm not used to being spoken to like that. I'm sorry.
We were taught customer is always right.
Nehayena impisi same WhatsApp group. Yeah. Into yedwa leyo. Impisi yehayena ihlezi ibuka ngemazana. Igijima lapha namadube, yempala nezimpunzi. Ayinamsebenzi ukuthi ngazoyizingela. Ekubuka nje kuhambela kweli. Hayi ukuthi ayithanda inyama. Ithanda kabi inyama. Kodwa ilini le lokuyibhubesi noma lokuyingwe kukhipha amandla akufuze ubambe inyamazana bese yeza ke ihayena izophazamisa ifike la ifuna ukudla la inkani futhi ayicili iba isicefe lokuyingwe ke sekuzowathi ukukhanda icebo kwathi khona uma ubambe inyamazana ukugibena ehlahleni ingwe ihayena ivelihlala ngaphansi ingayindawo yoziwe inyama lapha nakuhle khona yabona umbali ke nayo njalo umbali ufika ayibuka indoda yakho ukuthi hawo lokho abakuayinelanga namhlanje lapha emsebenzini bese yena ngakusasa afike egqoka iminiskirt ubona lokho indoda kukhipha ulimi ngathi nje kuyahala bese yabona umbali ukuthi oh lokhu futhi unkosikazi wakho usefake isandla lapha akatholi kahle bese yaqala ke enza iplan lokuthi angene kulobudlelwane lo kahle kahle la inkingi iqala wena nkanyama ngokuthi manje ungazenzi lezi zinto lezi ezithandwa intshebe uyabo njengehayena iyayini ihlala le ehlathini izwe ngephunga nje kunokudla lapha bese yakhona ifike kuthatha nengane yabona into enzima ke ngokukhompyutha nombali yabona mase sezwangena kulobudlelwane lobu nenkani ukuthi wena nkanyamba wazi umbali khona yena uyazi ukhona futhi ke kule marathon le kule race le umbali ubazi vele uzogijima 100 meters useku 50 meters ngoba mayethola ithuba nentshebe awayiniki ithuba ikhali hayize ibhekelele ngoba phela umbali uyaplingana ebusuku umbali akadlali umbali wenza izinto nawe ongakazi wazibona lezi lezo lapho kulama movie lawa yebo lawa movie lawa Shuthi ke kule race 100 meters umbali uselapha phambili. So shuthi utashaya intambo uphume wena uqathaka njengenyama laphezulu adle umbali ehayena bese uyaphuma ka wena hambuyele ekhaya. Bese nje umbali bayahlupha. Cha, inkinga iqala ngani? Sebenza nje usuku nosuku ngathi kunombali la. Ngisho ngamazi. Usebenze nje usuku nosuku ukuze umbali ngisho ngathi egqoke iminisketi vodala lento ngijwayele ekhaya. Yebo? Ngisho umbali engakubona emsebenzini okuyintshebe ukuthi ngathi ukudla isikhaftini esinobhontshisi nophuthu kuphela aqhamuke nesikhafini esekuthi xaxa uthiwa cha udla ubhontshisi nophuthu nje ngoba ulikhumbulile bakithi. Yebo? Hayi ngoba engalazi lapha ekhaya. Ameni.
Amapedi. Yabona amapedi afast bafika. Siyeke indaba ukuthi ba fasting ngempimpa. Ngisho la amapedi afast. Uma mele ithobela FM ungaba sure ukuthi kudlala ibhola. Usho na show. Thobela FM. Weba. Asifulative kudlala ibhola. Awuhle baba. Namuhla imandi. U7 isikhathi ekseni. Hawu, wewa. La. Thobela FM. Oyibo. Ngisho mina sebekhuluma ngepolitiki kune analyst elapha. President Ramaphosa, Julius Malema, Kwete Mantashe, Oyibo. Akena fikile mbalula, Oyibo. Na abantu bepolitiki bedlala ibhola bo. Ngitshela ngeSundays bani. Dlala igospel. Bekhuluma ngeBhayibheli. Uyoba sure ukuthi labantu abaseBhayibhelini badlala ibhola. Murana Jesu. Abednego. Goliath. Adam. Oyibo. No, abantu baseBhayibhelini bo bedlala ibhola. Badlalela yiphi team?
Thanks for making it this far, guys, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, like, comment and share. See you on the next upload. Azish.
Alright.
Yeah.